Hey, hola chicos y chicas, bienvenidos a este canal. Espero que se encuentren bien, bastante bien. Recuerden, si les gustan estos tipos de contenidos, no olviden de suscribirse y activar la campanita para que así YouTube les notifique cada vez que suba un nuevo video para el canal. Sin más que decir, comencemos.
I just wanna know what you looking for. I just wanna know what you looking for. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Yeah. Fuck all the talking, I'm in this forever. No reason to flaunt it. My city is on it. We still up and coming. That's word to my brothers and buzzing. We ballin'. Suburban shit. We gon' whip in that coupe. 100K counting, my views going up. I'm running this shit like my last name was Trump. Baby, this any and everything. You could be any and everything. Once I can make it, I'll take you to Prague. All that we'll ever see is the green. Nikki, I love you, but do you see? You rockin' that MBK everything. Natural born killer, I get it. I'll ball to the finish. I'm living out all my dreams. Saying like, she don't wanna dance. She just came to drink. I be in the club. I don't know what's up. She don't know what's up. I be out and I'm tryna go and turn up. I want you, 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 you. I want you, 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 you. Nikki, I want you, you, you. I want you, 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 you. Fuck these other hoes, it ain't you. Fuck these other hoes, and that's true. I want you, 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 you. I want you, 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 you. I be off the fucking weed sober for a week. I ain't been myself, need a fucking drink. Push to start the whip, drive up on the strip, reaping what I sow. Maybe I'm the shit out the nebula, pour the bell of love. Girl, it's like a drug, need a taste of her. Yeah, I need a taste of her. Hottest thing in the game right now. Roll to splits, pop a perk right now. I ain't been myself since I left last year. Did work on the track, now my whole team here. I'm working hard, smoking weed, taking shots, and I'm gone. Reminisce, you and me, I feel that you are the one. All these bad women in the club trying to get me sprung on a beat, sprung on a beat. Swerving and saucing, I'm driving that woo and I ride through the streets, ride through the streets. Off my cellular, past the nebula, I ain't feeling ya. Fuck these other hoes, Nikki, you so bad, I might need to blow. Yeah, it's time to go. She don't wanna dance, she just came to drink. I be in the club, offers and a three. I don't know what's up. She don't know what's up. I be out and I'm tryna go and turn up. I want you, 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 you. I want you, 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 you. Nikki, I want you, you, you. I want you, 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 you. Fuck these other hoes, it ain't you. Fuck these other hoes, and that's true. I want you, 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 you. I want you, 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 you. I be off the fucking weed sober for a week. I ain't been myself, need a fucking drink. Push to start the whip, drive up on the strip, reaping what I sow. Maybe I'm the shit out the nebula, pour the bell of love. Girl, it's like a drug, need a taste of her. Yeah, I need a taste of her.
None of you chose to ask, will it be better where we're going? And though the answer I don't know for a fact, still my heart is saying, oh yeah.
Still just taking it one day at a time. Still don't know what I'm trying to find. Really I don't mind, cause I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. Yeah, no longer focused on yesterday. And I don't care, the rest will say whatever they want, what's left to say. What's left to say. Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say. Believing I can find a way. Hey, and I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason. You can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be
We'll be better off.
not sure about what I'll be. Still can't believe everything I see. If I'm gonna stay down, well it's up to me. It's up to me, yeah. Living in a world overcome with greed. Not what I want, got everything I need. And I'm working hard till the day I succeed. The day I succeed. Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say, believing I can find a way, hey. And I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason. You can't slow me down, season the moment only now, yeah. So we gon' be the junior always wanna be the senior. I swear that the grass looks greener. Wanna change your demeanor, looking like John Cena. A girl that is fast with an ass like Trina. Do exactly what you need to do, but you can't have your cake and eat it too. And I swear the very second we complain is when the thing we work for is the thing that we obtain, yeah. And I don't understand why you always wanna change the path. It's not having what you want, it's wanting what you have. I might not pop bottles in a nightclub or blow up the same way as Mike Stud. When life hits me in the face like a right snub, if you relate, it's alright, cuz